Spomenuli ste na početku različite mete koje antibiotici gađaju. Jedna od važnih meta su i ribosomi. Zahvaljujući otkriću ribosoma, njegove strukture, mi sada znamo mehanizam djelovanja brojnih antibiotika. Za to otkriće Nobelovu nagradu je dobila profesorica Ada Jonat koja je nedavno boravila u Zagrebu. Razgovarali smo s njom uoči obred konferencije. Vi ste diplomirali kemiju, kasnije ste se specijalizirali u biokemiji, pogotovo u kristalografiji. Zadali ste si ambiciozan cilj uzgojiti kristal ribosoma, što je vrlo zahtjevno. Kako to da ste se baš zainteresirali za ribosome?
Because I wanted to understand it. How the genetic code is being translated to proteins, I wanted to understand. The fact that I needed crystals for it is unfortunate, but the crystals at that time were needed.
Is it time?
No, but it was not the crystallization that was my topic. The topic was to understand the genetic expression.
Danas je poznato mnogo detalja o strukturi ribosoma. Možemo li reći da danas znamo sve o ribosomima ili još postoje neke tajne koje ribosom skriva, a koje znanstvenici tek moraju otkriti?
There are always aspects that we didn't look, hidden things you call it. So we know much more than we knew before, much more. But there is, in my opinion, there is never everything.
Ribosomi su najbolje mete koje imamo u našem ratu protiv bakterija. Nažalost, zbog prekomjerne konzumacije antibiotika i u animalnoj i u humanoj medicini, sve više bakterija koje su otporne na antibiotike. Postoje li unutar ribosoma još neke nove mete koje možemo iskoristiti kako bismo napravili antibiotike nove generacije ili možda mete moramo potražiti izvan samih ribosoma?
Do not want to react or to respond to your reason, to the reason why there is resistance. Because resistance was there even before people were using, and because the antibiotics that are used for animals are not always those that. So let's not say why. Actually, let's discuss why, but from the bacteria point of view, they want to live and they are very clever. So they will find a way to be resistant always. But until now, I think almost all the antibiotics were based on bacteria against bacteria. It means natural products made by microorganisms. And now at least we are looking for other possibilities. And we have some ideas recently to make new antibiotics, maybe to be at least as clever as the bacteria.
Sami ste rekli da ste u istraživanje krenuli zbog znatiželje o tome kako funkcionira genetski kod, odnosno kako se ta informacija prenosi u proteine. Dakle, pitanje koje vas je zaintrigiralo je vrlo fundamentalno. Kasnije vaše otkriće strukture ribosoma pokazalo se vrlo i primjenjivo, dakle, mnoge stvari su se otkrile zahvaljujući njemu. U zahvali svojeg predavanja uoči dodjele Nobelove nagrade zahvalili ste agencijama koje su financirale, kako ste sami rekli, vaš san. Danas je tendencija da agencije koje financiraju znanstvene istraživanja uglavnom traže projekte koji su brzo primjenjivi, koji se mogu komercijalizirati. Postoji li danas dovoljno financija za istraživače koji se bave ovako nekim fundamentalnim istraživačkim pitanjima?
So let's leave the money alone, because money there is enough. The question is how it's given. I have a bonus that in my life, directly with my work, I found something applicable, something important, which I didn't expect in the beginning. I didn't think it's possible, but here it became. But every basic science brings knowledge that can be applied. It just depends when. So this is the way that science should be run by governments and by everything. The wish to do directly something that will be directly applied is important for business and for profit making and for making more companies. I understand this and I think it's justified, but it doesn't have to be on the price of reducing basic. I understand that the companies want to show that they can sell something, but if I may, if let's say there is a granting agency that gives money only if there is a result, and I say my result is that if there is here a wound, I will put a little paste on it and it recovers immediately. Then I say that I can do this. Now what's next? And science has to be much, much more than just a pointed target. I don't want to be nasty to bus drivers, but bus that goes from city A to city B, when he comes to city B, the mission is over. Only if he wants to see his family, he goes back home. So this is my opinion. In my opinion, this idea that everything has to be applicable immediately will not be good for the development of human beings.
Professor Yona, thank you very much for your time, and I wish you a pleasant stay in Zagreb.
Thank you. Zagreb is important for me.